Ghanaian praises are wonderful. A typical Ghanaian song is this. So, so, do, 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 ti, la, so, la, 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 so, fa, mi. That's the melody. So, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do. So, so, do, 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 ti, la, so, la, 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 so, fa, mi. So, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do. All the time I do say, oh, Korea, oh, to me, oh, reda, oh, na, oh, train, radiani, now, ding, foo, foo. This is nice. All the time I do say, oh, Korea, oh, to me, oh, reda. Then we come to this interesting part. Oh, na, oh, train, radiani, now, ding, foo, foo. Okay, so if you want to play African praises, I've given you a lot here. There's a unique picking style you have to learn. Pi, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Pi, 4, pi. Pi, by pi I mean P and I. I use P and I. Pi. Pi. And pi is playing the fifth and then the second string at the same time. Pi, then 4. I use only P and I. 4, 3, 5, 2 in this picking. Pi, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Pi, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. This is going to be the regular picking throughout. So this is what a beginner should learn. Pi, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Pi, 4, pi. Pi, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Pi, 4, pi. Pi, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Pi, 4, pi. I've already given a lesson on this. And if you go to other chords, say the 4. The root of the chord will show you where your pi will be, whether your pi will be a 6 or a 5. So if I'm playing on D, then my pi will be 5 and 2. If I'm playing on G, then my pi will be 6 and 2. As simple as that. So, yes, and these are the basic picking techniques you need to learn if you want to play Ghanaian praises. This is it. Yes, that is about the picking. Now about the chords. Here are some few chords you need to learn if you want to play and sound like a Ghanaian. I hope by now you know your standard chord sequences in the key of D. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. These ones, I know you know them already. If you are singing, the mind is divided, you know. But if someone is singing, then you have to go a bit away from 1, 4, 5 and introduce some other chords. Alright, so all the time to say oh Korea, do 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 ti la mi. Yes, usually I play do so with the bass, but don't worry. Do 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 ti la do or do 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 ti la mi. Then oh to make a umbrella. Fa fa. You can remain in the G ta 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 ta. If you must play Ghana praises, then there are certain chords you can't ignore. The first one will be this. This is a D, the first inversion. Then this is J7th. Back to D7th, first inversion. To E minor 7th. To F sharp minor. Either this or this. To G6, where we usually have our thumb here. Then to G sharp diminished 7th. To either this, or this, resolve to the dominant 7th. Or this. So slowly learn this. Or there's one interesting thing you need to know. When I learned this, for you to sound very mature, sometimes you have to play the open D string free before the chord. So I add Did you hear that? And this is part 1. I will bring you part 2 soon, very soon. I mean very, very soon. In case you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with Georgespratz, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? I have so many interesting videos here, especially on African rhythms. I teach beginners, intermediate students, and advanced students.